And we're back, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah. Sure, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, how about how long does a Bloody Palace run usually take?
It depends on how many stages you get through.
What if it's a scrub? What if someone who's never played it before? On average.
I want to say maybe 20 levels.
How many time-wise?
Maybe like 15 minutes.
Okay, then never mind. I was gonna say, if you like finish this chapter and the episode's not over, I can just do one of those runs, just for shits.
I don't think it is supposed to be flickering like that. Oh yeah, here's where we'd be seeing Nero.
Starring the DMC crew.
He's gone now.
Cool, dude.
Yeah.
Icy purple thing. Could that possibly be a collectible?
Any more power.
I think so.
When is something ever like shining purple and not a collectible? You know what I'm saying?
No idea.
Like, that's just a common thing, I feel like, in a lot of games.
Anything that's shining.
Yeah. It's got that pick-me-up glow, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, or like a thick outline that's like right-click me, you know? That's more of an MMO thing.
Yeah. Okay.
Excuse me for 1 second. Shit.
That's very nice.
Ha! Just need to blow my nose a little bit. That cat turned into a dragon for a second?
No, it turned into a drill.
It looked like a dragon.
It's a drill.
It looked like a dragon. That's all I'm saying.
Drill.
No, it turned into a drill after that. That's really broken, man.
What is...
Just the spinny thing.
V's dodge is fucking broken.
Just everything that cat does, I feel like.
Ah!
Don't get hit. You gotta kite him. Man, he's got fucking lightning too.
Yep.
If only you had Frost Nova. Do you have like an AoE stun?
Not yet.
Will you get one later?
Yeah.
Let's see. Can you just fly and stay in the air while other people do your shit? Or
Nope, sadly.
Okay. Stabby, stabby. Wait, so like, your animals don't have health or anything?
No, they do. It's on the top left.
Oh, okay. Get them. You don't have any melee?
The cat is the melee.
No, but you can't like defend yourself at all.
Nope. I have to learn how and when to evade.
Oh, I see. Fair enough. Pretty quick. Well, I guess you have that finisher move.
Yeah. Actually, you can parry.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
Requeste in pace. Am I right?
No. I'm not even gonna tell you the correct one.
I know I butchered it. That's the joke. Spinny, spinny. Dude, it just turns into a fucking fidget spinner.
Yeah.
What an attack. You know what? I'm gonna say it. If V was in a fighting game, he would be broke.
He would.
Imagine dealing with like three different things at the same time. It'd be so hard to play with.
Oh yeah.
But
If
like,
anything, he'd play more like Pokemon Trainer.
oh, like you just send them out individually?
Yeah.
No, but what if you could control all three? Like, that would be sick.
Oh yeah, that's.
And then you do a free-for-all and you're taking everybody on by yourself. That'd be sick. That's kind of what Min is like a little bit. You just do the arm into death.
Yeah.
You know, you just throw them off stage and they die at 30% because, you know, balanced. I don't think. I think they just want every character to be good in that game. They haven't even been nerfing that much. You just kind of buff characters. Which is probably good for that kind of game because there's so fucking many characters.
How many are there now?
Like 80?
Wasn't it 90?
I don't know. Maybe if you count like echo characters and all the different forms. Like if you count all 3 Pokemon from the trainer and you count like all 3 Mii fighters. Shit like that.
It's your turn.
Get 'em.
Sick.
I know Steve just came out and everything, but I really do wonder what the next one is already.
Same. I really hope it's Dante.
I know you do.
Yeah.
And I know that,
It probably won't be.
like, that's the thing about hoping for one character so that much. Like, you're just constantly setting yourself up for disappointment, you know? Like, eventually, it might come through, but, like, how long will that take?
Years.
Plus, like, the trend from this one seems to be, like, Nintendo-approved kind of deals. Like, they pick them. I don't know if it's true, but I heard that, the first pass was all picked by Sakurai out of the list, and then, like, the second pass was all picked by Nintendo. Which explains, like, Min Min and Steve. Like, that kind of does add to that theory.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So Dante, I don't think would be the most, like, advertising character, you know?
He could be.
It depends. If they brought DMC5 to Switch, maybe.
They brought DMC 3 and 2. Hell,
Yeah, but,
even
like,
the first one is
I don't
Switch.
think they're, like, wanting to advertise that much, are they? Like, who knows?
Oh,
Like,
shit.
that's not, like, Minecraft was just such a big audience that it just made a lot of sense. And Min Min was just like, oh, nobody's playing ARMS, let's get people to play ARMS. So, like, again, if they were like, DMC5's coming to Switch, we want to sell DMC5, then, okay, sure.
It'll probably come after Monster Hunter Rise.
Oh, man, we're gonna get a Monster Hunter character, aren't we?
I think
Oh,
so.
yeah, that's gonna be one of the characters, isn't it? Fuck. And wait, when is that coming out?
Next year.
Like, but when next year?
March?
Oh, fuck. Okay, that's gonna be the next character then. We're just gonna get Monster Hunter.
Oh, God. What the fuck is
I'm
going
calling it right now.
on? Oh, there we go.
This is recorded on fucking late October.
Remember when you made a post on Reddit about
Joker.
Joker being
Yeah,
Smash?
I know. I have crazy prediction powers, yo.
Where's the... Oh, there it is.
It's a phone booth.
That woman.
Man, they sound like they're good friends.
Yeah.
Maybe
good
they
friends
are, and
indeed.
that's just what he calls everybody.
That man.
Sup, that man? How are you, dude?
It's kind of like sup man or sup woman. Why does that sound so much more mean?
Woman?
Sup woman.
That's weird. Well, if that is an extra, I don't know what is. Jesus. Okay. Chill, yo. Goddamn.
It's a DMC game. There is no chill.
No, there really isn't. Just fancy neon letters and midriff.
A lot of midriff.
Are you sure you don't want to save up for that enemy step you want so bad?
That's true.
You're pretty close now. Royal Fork.
Fine. I'll save up for that enemy step.
Wait, but he doesn't even have it.
No, he doesn't.
I guess he doesn't need it. It's a train station. Could this perhaps be a boss?
Looks like it.
Yeah. Use your force powers and your lightsaber with the handles Actually, there, you know who he looked like?
Who?
The guy from Monster House. That's like, my awesome kite. He's actually completely got that
Bones?
energy, yeah.
Bones. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nabber, snapper, flipper, dipper.
Oh, man.
My awesome kite.
What a movie.
What an amazing piece of film, man. An amazing piece of media.
Dude, we should play Monster House the game.
You mean
For the
Resident
GameCube.
Evil on
Yeah.
GameCube?
Yeah. Dude, that game was hype. It was actually, like, pretty solid. And it had, like, an arcade you know that game that the dude is playing?
Yeah. The one that's
like,
Castlevania?
Yeah, you can play that game. And
How
it's
is it?
basically Castlevania. Dude, I'm totally down to play the Monster House, the video game, at some point, though. He called you shithead. What a guy. Dude, this is literally just the first boss of Twilight Princess.
Really?
Dude, you've seen it.
Have I?
Yeah. I know that's not canonically existence anymore, but, like, you've seen it.
Not canonically in the sense of the channel.
Dude, only old school fans will get that joke.
If we even have any old school fans.
I know, right? Oh, get him. Fucking get him. It's just a goopier version of the first boss from Twilight Princess.
Goopier?
Yeah, because the dude on the snake, he looks really goopy. Don't you think?
He is a snake.
You look like a snake! What? That's a big oh man, that golem just fucking disintegrated. What a guy. Is that yours?
Yep.
Oh shit. Get up on the Hydra's back! Ah! Ah! Holy shit. Dude, this guy has no chill. Oh. 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 Oh, jeez, man. He stabbed you good.
He got me good.
Yeah. You're taking a lot of damage, bro.
Here I am. I really gotta use this guy more.
Do you have a heal?
Not yet.
Man, every time I ask something about this character, you're like, not yet.
V gets really good once you get him upgraded.
Is he just super OP like Abe?
It's pretty
just
OP.
disintegrate people? Man, that bird is literally just the robot from Nier Automata.
Yeah. It just plays in a different way.
Yeah, but same concept, you know? It's just
Yeah.
robot shoot.
Oh no.
Did your dude die?
Yeah, the bird died. My DPS died.
Still got the big ones, right?
No.
There you go. Oh, those. Wait, okay, so those are your health bars for the dude. What are the purple things?
The purple things are for the big dude.
Or do you just save that for when the boss
There we go.
shows up?
No, I can use them whenever.
But no, but shouldn't you save them for when the boss shows up? Because those probably do the most damage, right?
Yeah, probably.
Plus, like, the lasers seem to hit the ground more. Oh, damn. Nice. What was that explosion?
That was the golem.
Oh, we'll fucking do that right now then.
I can. My devil trigger gotta recharge.
Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying. Save the devil trigger for when you're actually hitting his HP. That way you do more damage faster. Ooh. There you go. Nice. Get him. Oh,
Ah!
Jesus. Kinda dodge out of the way, bro.
Okay, that got her.
Yeah, there you go. That was big damage. Oof.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Oh,
Get up.
man. Dude, you got fucking stun lock. Gotta be careful, bro.
Ah,
Oh,
no.
Oh,
Oh,
fuck.
son of a bitch. Oh,
Damn.
wow. Fuck it.
What? Okay.
Yeah, I just want to get through this.
Alright. Well, I was gonna ask if I could try after, but I guess that's fine.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Nah, it's okay. Don't worry about it.
I could throw this one so you
No,
can
no,
try
dude,
now.
you already used the gold orb. Fucking kill this bitch.
Come on.
Maybe the golem would be better for them because they were doing like an AoE and you get rid of them faster.
Yeah,
He does take a while to get going though, doesn't he?
a little bit.
Explosions are nice though.
They are.
Oh, perfect. Now he. Oh. Well, still. Just go. Just wail on him. Nice. And Shibuya.
Shibuya roll call.
Still don't get what that's supposed to mean. Is that racist?
No.
Cause Frank only says it around like black women, you know. That's what makes me think it's racist.
It's not though.
Then why does he say it?
It's just a victory thing or something.
Is it?
Yeah. It's
Is
a song they were singing in The Office.
Yeah, but when in the fucking in the okay, never mind.
That's not a good sign. I'm afraid that's a little bit more than I can take on right now.
Very
Self-awareness.
very reasonable.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe use that teleport thing to get out of there, bro.
If only he could.
Alright, well. Nice job, bro. You got a C.
Feels bad.
You got
I don't play as V.
You got a C. Cool, bro. Alright, well. I guess this is where I'm just gonna fuck around with him a little bit. Because we got like 2 more minutes. And I don't know how this person plays.
It's fun. The bird is shooting. Well, the cat is melee.
We'll save that for next time, actually. Yeah, quit that shit, yo. Mission start. Mission start! I don't remember what that's from. There's a game where they do that.
Sounds like
Now to find
Guilty
the
Gear?
Maybe. Just shoot. And then... Okay, I see. Then what the fuck is that?
it's a parry. It's also the teleport.
And I'll one goblin and then golem.
Yeah.
Nice. Hey, he teleported.
Yeah.
It is less satisfying when your character's not the one that's moving, though.
I mean, you'll get satisfying. There you go.
Yeah, but it's not the same, you know.
It looks really good though.
Yeah, it looks fucking sick. It's still satisfying. It's just not as satisfying as the sword.
Yeah. You can only do the teleport when they look like that.
Bam. All right. Well, yeah. But you know what? You know what? This guy's gonna die, and then he's gonna explode, and then the golem's gonna show up. I'm gonna get an S rank, and then you know what? He dies, and then the fucking episode ends.